Hi, my name is Marcus Muller. I'm the general manager here at Hassler Heating and Air Conditioning Services. At Hassler Heating, we provide comprehensive HVAC services, which include installing hot water heaters, home energy audits, ductwork improvements, electrical upgrades, whole home comfort solutions, and indoor air quality. From a customer's perspective here at Hassler, the reason why you'd want to choose us is our ability and our approach to how we look to take care of your home. We're not looking for the quick fix, we're looking for the long-term vision, how the system is going to work within your home. We focus on proper system design, detailed load calculations, and long-term performance rather than just simply replacing your system. Well, our team at Hassler, we're highly trained technicians. We're constantly up to speed with new technology and new codes of the areas that we are working in. Every technician undergoes ongoing training, and we emphasize hands-on expertise so they can handle any situation, no matter how big or small it is. We ensure quality through detailed system design, careful installation, and thorough inspections. Every job follows some very strict standards. We want to give our customers the best, and by doing so, we here at Hassler have your full confidence that we're going to perform the job to the best of our ability and make you happy. Well, I am proud to say that yes, we here at Hassler have been voted best in Oakland and El Cerrito, as well as we are a Diamond certified company. So we are independently verified based on our workmanship and our ability to perform our duties as HVAC contractors. So that I'm very proud of. For you as a consumer, we continue ongoing training. We're training our team on the latest HVAC heat pump and electrification technologies. This is important because it ensures that your system is going to be not only installed but maintained by experts that are never satisfied and always want the best and most up-to-date knowledge when it comes to operating and installing your system. If you're ready to upgrade your home's comfort, electrify your home, please give us a call here at Hassler Heating and Air Conditioning. Here at Hassler, we're looking to take the hassle out of home comfort.